Hey everyone, it's Emily with Experian, and today we're going to talk about how to make money in college. Being in college often means new experiences, new freedoms, and new friends. But that newfound independence can come with some challenges, like learning how to pay bills on your own. So let's go over 5 ways to make money in college. Number 1, tutoring. If you're savvy with an academic subject or a skill, like software coding or playing guitar, why not get paid to help another student succeed? You can tutor solo, which gives you the flexibility to set your own rates and schedule. But you have to hustle to find clients and do your own outreach. Another option is to work for a tutoring company, either in person or online. They might advertise and find clients for you, but some do require tutors to already have completed degrees, so check their requirements before you apply. Number 2, work-study job. If you had a work-study option in your school's financial aid package, consider utilizing it. It provides part-time jobs for eligible students, sometimes related to their degree. So it's a great way to do some hands-on learning while also earning money. A work-study job might be in an office, in a lab, assisting with research, or giving campus tours. Work-study jobs are usually on campus, which is extra convenient if you already live on or near campus. Some are with partnering local nonprofits, businesses, or agencies, though, if there's not anything available on your campus. The downside with work-study jobs is there are usually restrictions on pay and hours worked to ensure it doesn't interfere with school. But since work-study jobs are geared towards students, you might find more flexibility there than with other jobs. Number 3, paid internship. I interned at 2 magazines in college, and I gained experience and college credit, but zero pay. Fortunately, the laws have changed since then. Now, internships can be unpaid only if they provide the intern significant benefits and learning. If that's not the case, and they just want a glorified coffee runner, interns must be paid at least the minimum wage. The laws are a little vague, though, so many employers now pay all interns just to be on the safe side. Internships typically last for a summer or a semester, and many of them will earn you college credit while also gaining hands-on experience and networking for your future career. Ask your school's Career Center if they help with paid internship placements. You can also look for opportunities on LinkedIn or even reach out to companies directly that you're interested in doing a paid internship with. Number 4, other part-time work. If the jobs we've mentioned are not a fit, there are plenty more options out there. You could consider finding a part-time job on campus or with a local business, like waiting tables or working in retail. While this may not boost your resume as much as something like an internship, a part-time job does still provide a valuable paycheck, references, and helps you build your work history. If you value flexibility, consider intermittent work that's less formal, like as-needed babysitting or pet sitting for other students or for locals. For ultimate flexibility, you can tap into the gig economy, which are the apps that offer on-demand work that requires little to no skills, like delivering food with DoorDash or giving rides through Lyft. Just know that the pay will probably be lower than the other types of jobs, and you'll need to provide your own transportation and pay for it. Number 5, freelancing. If you have professional skills like photography, writing, videography, transcribing, graphic design, consider freelancing. This just means providing your talent to various clients as an independent contractor rather than employee. Freelancers work for themselves, so they can set their own rates and hours and choose which clients and projects to work with. It's not ideal for those just starting out to build their skill set, but if you know some basics, you might be able to find clients who are willing to help you learn in exchange for lower rates. As you consider the best way to earn money in college, it helps to weigh your priorities, whether it's most important to get consistent pay, flexibility, experience, or other factors. For more information on how to make money as a college student, check out the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.